What's up, you guys? It's, what, 9:30 in the morning. We're about to go to a car meet that starts at 10. Right now, we only have one friend, which is Canelo, aka White Camaro SS, and we're just gonna cruise over there. There are gonna be races after the car meet, but I myself, I'm not gonna race or do anything like that, just because I don't want to. It's that type of day I just want to chill, you know. It's a Sunday, I don't want to race or anything, so I'm gonna do a lot of recording for you guys, but I'm sorry, but this video, no racing. Stay tuned. What's up, you guys? I'm very excited, and you guys are gonna be excited too. You guys are gonna find out why. All I have to say is this channel got a whole lot better. Boom! Whole lot of newspaper. That's what I got. Whole lot of newspaper. This is a lot of newspaper. Let's see what's inside here. Okay. This guy really added cookies. And there's the good ones too. That's crazy. Thanks, Brett. I'm for sure gonna eat this. So yes, guys, I got a huge ass box with newspaper just for cookies. Just so I could get cookies. Well, I'm glad I spent that much money on cookies. Look at this, you guys. Look at this. We gotta be very careful with this because this is very sensitive. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yes sir, we went with the 2018 ported intake manifold. I'm very excited about this. I can't put this on yet because I still need the lockouts, and I have my injectors with me. I just need my lockouts and my lung tune, and we'll be pretty good. So this video is not gonna come out anytime soon. It'll probably come out like in 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks I'm gonna have this on, ready to go, pushing and pulling really hard. So I'm excited, and hopefully you guys are excited too, because we're gonna go and gap a lot of people. So love you guys, and stay tuned.